Say bye, table. Hi, good morning. Good morning. We are moving. We're moving. This is the start of the moving vlogs, which is very exciting. I am selling literally everything, basically everything. I am selling pretty much everything I have here and starting from scratch. Someone is coming to pick up a few things over the course of this weekend. I'm gonna clean it. It's all clean, and she's gonna pick it up right now. Oh, perfect. Okay.
You're so cute.
I know, no, I love it. Of course.
Oh,
literally,
yeah.
look at how easy.
It's totally easy. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, awesome. Are you staying in Manhattan? Thank you.
Of course, and let me know if you need. Yay! I'm hungover. I'll be so honest right now, but like that's not the point of this vlog. Getting things done. Someone else is coming in like an hour. I need to take a shower. I look a little better than I did in the last clip. I have to undo this whole dresser right now. Oh my god, in like less than 30 minutes. We're gonna do that together. I'm gonna be living in chaos for a week. Oh my god, it's off the wall. Just a little bit.
Come on, take it. Let me do this. Can you help me with this a little bit?
Exhausted, and I barely did anything. I'm excited for the newness of, you know, getting new things and all that. And I might start putting in some orders today. To make an order on Amazon for something that I know that I need like right when I get to my apartment. If you didn't know, Amazon is having a sale right now. What better time to like stock up on everything I need for my apartment when everything's on sale? See that? Okay. Table, chairs. Need curtains as well. Oh my god. Can't show you guys that, but we get to change the address, which is kind of crazy. It's like, I'm not gonna live here anymore. Did it. I ordered it. Oh my god. The first real order for my apartment. Taking you guys through a little meeting.
Hello.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? Their own campaigns.
I think you were the first influencer that we even presented to them as well.
Q1, historically, if you have insight on, I literally have been in meetings for 2 hours now, and I have a phone call that I need to hop on like right now. So we're gonna hop on right now. I have to literally get on another call, third call of the day. I haven't eaten anything today. Like the only thing I've really eaten are these because this is all I can stomach. I did go get some soup.
Do you need me to make any changes to your contact information?
To transfer my service to my new address, so equipment too and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate that. We did it. We did our change of address. Woohoo. Oh. Guys, I just got back from my facial. I know this video is not about that, but I just got back and we have our last pickup for today. I'm going to update my Facebook listing to say sold. Right, that's that for today. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning because we have so many more things that are getting picked up. Hi, good morning. I got 10 hours of sleep, so I feel so much better. Oh my God. And we have a few people picking up things in the apartment.
That's a cute little bird.
Oh, thank you. There it is.
Studio or?
Oh, this is my bedroom.
Oh, your bedroom.
It's
Okay.
tiny.
Thank you.
Of course. Oh, here. I know, yeah. It's like, that's all I think of here. Another one down. All right, someone's getting this. I think someone's about to walk in here, sorry, with like to get something else. Oh, she's not there. Where is she? Oh my god. Ah, bye, guys. Yes, thank you so much. And enjoy your new stuff. Things are out of here. Oh my god. I am so sorry. Like, people are just like, so many people have been in. That was yours also? Yeah. Like, okay, let's do this. Yes. Okay, and then we'll put it down there. And oh, this is getting taken. Yeah, it's actually pretty light. Like, it's just like two people would use. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today's Sunday. A few more people are coming to pick things up. 4 people are coming, to be exact. I have to clear this out in like 10 minutes, so let's do that together. Say goodbye to the table. Say bye, table. Just wipe down everything that's getting taken. And they're outside. Hi. Hey.
Okay, you wanna answer? Yeah, I'll look up.
Where are you moving to?
Crazy. I walk up at your
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be
It
fun.
just hurts every time.
I know. Every like.
I was like, you never eat.
Okay, yeah, so that.
Thank you. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
And then yeah.
What's happening? Yes. Ooh, okay, I might. I love that one
I'm
though.
so-
You okay?
Oh, this one, yeah, oh cool, I can pick it.
Yeah, it's really.
And I saw you have some.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, this is cute, thank you.
Of course. Guys, it's so empty. Oh my god. We're gonna go thrifting. I was supposed to go with a friend, but that got canceled. But that doesn't mean that I cannot take myself thrifting. We're going to the Chelsea flea market. I have never been, which is crazy because I've lived here for 14 months and it's been there the whole time. And that's one of the things I wanted to do right when I got here. That's how we're gonna wear it today. Oh, okay. I wish I did. Part of me wants to go to another market today, but I feel like that is kind of a reach. The only thing that's stopping me is that it's very cold, so I should just go home, honestly. I'm back from my little thrifting adventure. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything today, but keeping my head up and I'm gonna find the perfect things for my apartment. And I'm keeping in mind that I don't have to find everything right now. This new apartment is going to really help me practice patience, because for the OGs who were here a year and a half ago-ish, I literally made it a goal to furnish the entire thing in 1 month, which is really, really, really fast. But it's not gonna be like that this time because I am curating this space and I'm gonna take you guys along with how I do that. And I wanna be really slow and intentional about it and not just get things just to like fill the space. I decided I'm just gonna buy food out because it's Sunday. I kind of like to treat myself on Sunday, so I got Subway. I love Subway from childhood. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I loved showing you guys kind of this little hectic, little chaotic, but very honest and real past few days of getting the apartment ready to leave. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm still looking forward to this next chapter. I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared, I'm emotional, and those are all very normal feelings, and I'm trying to just lean into it rather than like shy away from it. This is the last weekend I'm like in this apartment fully, and then I literally am moving in like 5 days. What? That is so crazy. So that's another reason why I wanted to show you guys my last weekend here living in this apartment. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Remember to subscribe if you are new here. I hope you enjoyed. And to my OGs, thank you so much. You know who you are. And I will see you guys next week in my next one.